Hello everyone, and for Women in India is back with another video. In today's video, we'll be talking about Delhi High Court's verdict on marital rape. In May 2022, the Delhi High Court delivered the much anticipated verdict on marital rape. The court gave a split verdict while disposing of a bunch of pleas seeking criminalization of marital rape, filed by two non-governmental organizations, RIT Foundation and All India Democratic Women's Association, and two individuals. Since the time the court started hearing a batch of petitions in the regard, and even before that, there has been a rise in debates all over the news channels and social media platforms between those who oppose the criminalization of marital rape and those who advocate for it. For those of us who are not aware, Section 375 defines rape. The exception 2 to this section states that sexual intercourse or sexual acts by a man with his own wife, the wife not being under 15 years of age, is not rape. Another contradiction that can be pointed out is what the legal age for marriage is 18, but the law provides protection just to those up to the age of 15. It is pertinent to note that according to the Convention on Elimination of Discrimination Against Women, discrimination against women includes any distinction made on the basis of sex which has the effect of impairing the exercise by women irrespective of their marital status, of human rights and fundamental freedoms in the social, cultural, civil or any other field. According to a 2015-16 National Family Health Survey, 83% of married women have accused their husbands of sexual violence. According to the 2019-21 National Family Health Survey, 1 in every 25 women in India reported being subjected to sexual violence by a husband, often or sometimes. India is among the 32 countries in the world that does not criminalize marital rape. Other countries include China, Pakistan, Afghanistan. In the particular case, the petitioner's argument was that the exception to marital rape is unconstitutional and should be struck down as it violated a woman's right to equality, a right to life with dignity, and that it also creates an anomaly where slapping or killing one's wife is criminal but not raping her. Giving due regard to the false reports, the petitioners also stated that since there were few such cases compared with the scale of the problem, that should not stop the court from criminalizing the act. An NGO named Men Welfare Trust, on the other hand, argued that sexual intercourse between a husband and a wife cannot be treated at par with that in non-marital relationship, as the issue of consent cannot be divorced from the context of a marriage. J. Sai Deepak, a lawyer representing Man Welfare Trust, one of the NGOs opposing the criminalization, said that the legislature and not a court of law is best suited to determine the question of criminalization of marital rape. The centre in its affidavit had said that criminalization of marital rape could open floodgates of false cases being made with ulterior motives and has far-reaching socio-legal implications. Senior advocate Karuna Nandi, who appeared for the petitioners, responded to the affidavit saying that the exceptions pertaining to marital rape was unconstitutional as it gave primacy to the institution of marriage over the individuals in the marriage. She has also said that it is a blot on the face of the country. Married women should not have to say that I'm forever giving away my voice, my right over my body, my right to my sexual autonomy, my very core bodily integrity. While delivering the verdict, Justice Rajiv Shankar had said an exception to a man from the offence of rape for forcible sex with his wife is violative of Article 14 and therefore unconstitutional. He said modern-day marriage is a relationship of equals. The woman, by entering into matrimony, does not subjugate or subordinate herself to her spouse or give irrevocable consent to sexual intercourse in all circumstances. The right to withdraw consent at any given point in time forms the core of the woman's right to life and liberty, which encompasses her right to protect her physical and mental being. On the other hand, Justice Shankar disagreed with Justice Shankar as an exception to marital rape did not violate the constitution and it was reasonable. He said unjustified denial of sexual access by either spouse to other is not therefore sanctified or even condoned by law. It may not invite criminal action, it nonetheless entitles the spouse to whom sexual access has been unjustifiably denied to seek a separation by way of divorce. the Delhi High Court bench had granted leave to the petitioners to file an appeal before the Supreme Court in the matter, and the same has been filed against the split verdict. That's all for the video. Thank you for watching, and please share your views on the judgment in the comment section below. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to receive notification of our latest videos. If you like our work, please do consider contributing on our Patreon page. The link is in the description box.